Hey, my friend Adam here. Just wanted to quickly introduce you to a brand new resource that we've got put together called the Agency Growth Kit Mega Bundle. Reason being is it's truly a mega bundle. It's got all kinds of different helpful resources in here, trainings, courses, links, snapshots, all kinds of good stuff to really help you take your agency from wherever it is right now, even if it is just a dream, put that into reality, get you going and get you growing. So I'm going to walk you quickly through kind of what this looks like, what's involved, and then I'll set you free to go pick it up. So as you can see here, we've got a couple different courses, instant access, and yes, it is in fact completely 100% free. I was going to charge like a really low dollar amount for it, but I figured, you know what, let's give this thing away. So my recommendation is pick it up now while it's still free. Maybe we'll change that in the future. Maybe not. You'll find the usual sales page stuff. It's always interesting, actually, writing like a sales page or a landing page for something that is truly valuable and also completely free. But the marketer in me just had to do it. Also, I'm always going to suggest that as you're building your agency out, you always do have to highlight the benefits and the value of it, because there may be people that are on the fence or that need sort of that proof, that validation that they're making the right decision and that you're the right one for the job. So all of this is going to be what it looks like. Feel free to take a read as well if you're ever curious about what a sales page looks like, what a high converting landing page looks like. This is a brand new landing page, so making the claim that it's high converting is might be a bit of a stretch. However, this is based on some very successful landing pages I've used in the past. So here's what's included for free. 10K agency blueprint, 3-day workshop recording. There's about 4, 5, maybe even 6 hours of training in this session alone. It was done over 3 days. All of that has been condensed and edited for your viewing pleasure. So you'll get access to that. The 10K agency blueprint course, which is essentially a variation of that, but even more summarized and even quicker. So you should be able to get through this in like an hour. And that's going to give you literally the roadmap to get your agency from 0 to 10K. Local Hero Playbook. Big fan of this one. This is provided on behalf of High Level in regards to how do we set up the systems, how do we sell them, how do we use different pieces of software. Same with High Level Guide here as well. Great training that's going to walk you through everything you need to know. Like if you're looking at High Level, which clearly we use inside of the agency, we use inside the Agency Accelerator program. I've used it since it first came out. Absolutely love it. It's been fundamental and crucial to my agency growth. Really can't say enough about it. That said, it can be a little overwhelming. There's a lot of moving pieces, a lot of moving parts. What do you do? What do you pay attention to? The High Level Guide will help you, as well as actually the 10K agency blueprint will also help you, because it'll help to sort of weed through some of the things that you may want to use later, but you definitely don't need to use now. Nail Your Niche training. This one, it's worth more than this one, especially if you're struggling. If you've got an agency right now and you're struggling to get more than, like if you're only at 2 to 3 clients and you're doing all of the things and you're serving all of the people and you're doing Facebook ads or SEO or Google or web design or whatever else, and you're also working with people from all kinds of different niches, we got to get that fixed. We got to get it fixed now. That is significantly holding you back from multi-6-figure, 7-figure agency without a shadow of a doubt. So I'm going to fix that. I'm going to show you how to do it all in that training. Worksheets, templates, agency community. That's right. There's also a free community called the Agency Accelerator. It is the free community. You'll get access to join that one as well. Good people in there, a lot of good advice, a lot of little meetups happening. Just a genuinely helpful place to be. Today's price, free, fancy stuff, more stuff to try to convince you to take this free thing. Who it's for, who it's not for. I'll let you read through this on your own time. A little about me. Oh, and Agency Canvas, Agency Calculator. Yeah, a couple more bonuses. Agency Canvas, I'm actually really excited about. That is this thing here. See if I can show you a picture of it. This thing in the background. The Agency Canvas was built off of the business model generator from a company called Strategizer, but I evolved it for agencies specifically. Really helpful to make sure that you're doing the right things in the right place for the right people. This alone is worth the price of admission of free. Also, Agency Calculator. This one I find really interesting for sort of future setting your goals and where you want your agency to go and how profitable you want to be. Obviously very profitable, and how many clients are required to do that, how much outreach is required to get there. Essentially breaking down the process into a very systematic almost mathematical equation. It's like, all right, well, if I want to make 30 grand a month, I need to do this much and have this many clients and have these things. And it really solidifies and crystallizes everything for you. Also, template, scripts, frameworks, 7-figure niche list, a complete list of all of the niches that have been proven to hit 7 figures for myself personally or my friends and colleagues inside of the space. There's a call script, outsource hiring guide. There's a lot of stuff in here. I think that's it. Is it free? It's free. There's no catch. Here's more stuff. All right. I think that's about it. I'm going to leave that in your capable hands. I will put a link down in the descriptions or somewhere around here because it is it's a bit of a long link, so I'm not going to spell it all out, but regardless, highly recommend you go check that out, pick it up now while it's still free, while it's available, and I know that it's going to have a truly positive and profoundly awesome impact on your agency. All that said, I'll see you on the other side.